morning everyone. My name is Rakshitha CM. I'm pursuing my BE in CSE AIML, and today my project is about taking attendance using face recognition. So the basic problem with attendance is it is time consuming and can also cause errors. The daily time errors, maybe the student comes in late and the teacher forgets to mark the attendance, or malpractices such as proxy or something. So I have designed this attendance system which is gonna mark attendance using face recognition. This is totally built using Python and the inbuilt libraries of Python. I have used Streamlit for in web interaction, and CV2 is OpenCV. That is the main thing. That is how the camera is accessed and the faces are recognized. Face recognition is the main module which is used to do the main part, that is registering the faces, then encoding them, and then giving the attendance accordingly. NumPy, because in the analysis, whatever data we have, to analyze that, the attendance analysis is done using NumPy. OS is used to is used for importing each and everything. Pickle, this library is mainly used for encoding of the faces, which is already registered, or the faces which we register. Pandas is again for analyzing. Date and time, because again that is used for analyzing purpose, and this project I have done it in such a way that the attendance is logged in for 7 different periods, and each period the time is given. Suppose the first period is from 9 to 10 and the second goes from 10 to 11. So this camera will be live. So 10 to 11, if the student is present, then the attendance is marked for that particular period. And if they don't move out of the class, say they don't move out until 11, so again for the second period the attendance is marked accordingly. But I have given a 10 minutes buffer time. Suppose they move out of the class during that period and they don't come back within that time period. In that case, what happens is nothing will happen. But if they don't return back after 10 minutes, then for that particular period, the student is marked absent. But again, if they come back for the following period, the attendance is marked for the following period. That's why the date time is used. Suppose I launch this later, I open the camera later and see, suppose around 6 o'clock. So date time is used to see when this person, the face is recognized at the last time, at what last time the face is seen. So yes, coming to the code, here is the first part is face storage. Here the code works like we register the face and it is stored here in face utils. This part of the code where we registered the face or the existing JPEG files, I can add them. I have a separate folder called student faces where I add faces directly and can take the attendance in that way too. This is the logic where I have given like 7 different periods. And this is for the Streamlit. I will directly show you how the code works because it's much convenient. So this is my main page. Here I can register new students. I'll take an example for that. I'll call Sheetal to do the registration. Here she will type her name. And she's going to click a photo which says Sheetal is registered successfully. So in the same page we have live attendance, and if I start the camera there and her face is recognized, her name, a box is built around the face, that is it is detecting. It is like drawing a boundary to detect only the face, and her name is seen there. So this is how the face is recognized. I have already given my name, I have already registered my name in before. That's why it's showing my name there. That means I am marked. So to view all these attendance, there's a separate bar called view attendance. in the CSV file, it shows, here we can see Sheetal. The second period starts from 11 o'clock. So the present says that she is present in the second period. And the last scene is also shown accordingly. And in the analytics dashboard, here we can see who all are present. The teacher can access all together, and this is the total student percentage of their attendance. Further, it can be, because this is utilizing CPU. Maybe I can't add more number of student faces into it. Even if I do add, the system may become slower. Further, I can deploy it using GPU and have a lot of faces, like a lot of data stored into it, and mark the attendance in a easier way. Thank you.